Hello everybody, welcome to AtNET Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Motion of System of Particles and the Rigid Bodies. Okay, the question is two rotating bodies A and B of mass m and 2e with moment of inertia Ia and Ib. Here Ib is greater than Ia. Have equal kinetic energy of rotation. If LA and LB be their angular momenta respectively, then LB is greater than LA, LA is greater than LB, LA is equal to LB by 2 and LA is equal to 2LB. So these are all the four options given to you. This question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2016. Okay, that's all. How to solve this problem, sir? Angular momentum L is equal to I omega, that you know very well. It means what? Omega is equal to L divided by I. Here what is L? Angular momentum. What is I? Moment of inertia. What is omega? Angular velocity. Kinetic energy of rotation. The formula for kinetic energy of rotation 1 by 2 I omega square. For linear kinetic energy, half mv square. For rotational kinetic energy, Ke of rotation, 1 by 2 into I omega square. So 1 by 2 into I into, you can substitute the value of omega, L by I. So omega square means L square by I square. So it is equal to, you have I in the numerator and I square in the denominator. So you will get 1 by 2 L square divided by I. So kinetic energy of body A is equal to kinetic energy of body B, because they have equal kinetic energy of rotation, is it not? Okay. So KEA is equal to 1 by 2 L square by I, 1 by 2 LA square divided by IA. Similarly for the body B, 1 by 2 LB square divided by IB. So from this equation, you know that the L, the relation between angular momentum and the relation between the moment of inertia are almost the same, because if LA is to be increased, then IA will also increase. Then only the equation will be constant. Is it not? So if IB is greater than IA, then naturally LB is greater than LB. Is it not? Then only this equation will be satisfied. So the first option, LB is greater than LA, is the right answer. Okay, so we will see one more question, perhaps the last question for this round in this chapter, in our next video. After that, we will see questions from another chapters also. So till then, thank you one and all. Okay.